Let's talk about weight loss. It's a journey, not a sprint. And you know what can make that journey a whole lot easier? A healthy gut. That's right, your gut is like a secret weapon when it comes to shedding those extra pounds and keeping them off. It's not just about what you eat, but how well you digest and absorb nutrients. Think of your gut like a garden. A thriving garden needs the right balance of nutrients, sunlight, and water. Similarly, your gut needs the right balance of good bacteria, fiber, and hydration to function optimally. When your gut is healthy, it's like having a well-oiled machine, working efficiently to help you achieve your weight loss goals. But when your gut is out of whack, it can lead to cravings, inflammation, and weight gain. You see those pesky cravings you get for sugary processed foods? They're often a sign of an imbalance in your gut bacteria, and that imbalance can make it harder to lose weight and keep it off. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of a healthy gut and revolutionize your weight loss journey? Let's dive in. Let's take a peek inside your gut, shall we? Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microorganisms. This bustling community is known as the gut microbiome. Think of it as a miniature ecosystem living inside you. These tiny organisms play a huge role in your overall health, influencing everything from digestion and immunity to your mood and metabolism. They help break down food, synthesize vitamins, and protect your gut lining from harmful invaders. They even talk to your brain, influencing your cravings and food choices. Now here's the catch. Not all bacteria are created equal. You have the good guys, the bad guys, and the neutral guys just hanging out. When your gut microbiome is balanced, the good bacteria outnumber the bad guys, keeping things running smoothly. But when bad bacteria take over, it can lead to dysbiosis, an imbalance in your gut. This can wreak havoc on your health, contributing to weight gain, inflammation, digestive issues, and a whole host of other problems. So, how exactly does your gut influence your weight? Well, it all boils down to how your gut microbiome interacts with your metabolism. Research suggests that the bacteria in your gut can influence how your body stores fat, how efficiently you burn calories, and even how your body responds to hormones that regulate appetite. For instance, studies have found that people who are obese tend to have a different composition of gut bacteria compared to those who are lean. This suggests that an imbalance in gut bacteria may contribute to weight gain. Moreover, certain bacteria in your gut are better at extracting energy from food than others. Think of it like this. If you have more of the efficient energy extractors, you're likely to absorb more calories from the same amount of food compared to someone with a different gut microbiome composition. This can lead to weight gain over time. But it's not just about calorie absorption. Your gut bacteria also play a role in regulating hormones that control hunger and satiety. For example, leptin is a hormone that signals to your brain that you're full. When your gut microbiome is out of balance, it can interfere with leptin signaling, leading to increased hunger and cravings, even after you've eaten. Ever wonder why you crave sugary treats or salty snacks? Your gut might be trying to tell you something. Cravings are often your body's way of communicating an imbalance. For example, a craving for sugar could mean that the sugar-loving bacteria in your gut are having a field day, demanding their favorite fuel. Similarly, cravings for processed foods, which are often high in unhealthy fats and additives, can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome, leading to further cravings and a vicious cycle. On the other hand, a hankering for fiber-rich foods like fruits and vegetables could indicate that your gut is craving the prebiotic fibers that nourish the good bacteria. Paying attention to your cravings can provide valuable insights into your gut health. It's like listening to your body's whispers before they turn into shouts. So the next time a craving strikes, don't just give in blindly. Take a moment to consider what your gut might be trying to tell you. Now that you understand the importance of a healthy gut for weight loss, let's talk about how to nurture your inner garden. The good news is that you don't need fancy supplements or complicated diets to improve your gut health. Simple, sustainable lifestyle changes can make a world of difference. It's all about creating an environment where the good bacteria can thrive and the bad bacteria are kept in check. It's like weeding your garden, providing the right nutrients, and ensuring it gets enough sunlight and water. So, are you ready to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty? Let's get started. Let's talk fiber. It's the unsung hero of gut health, often overlooked but incredibly important. Fiber is like a superfood for your gut bacteria, providing them with the nourishment they need to thrive. Think of it as fertilizer for your inner garden. The best part? You can find fiber in abundance in whole plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. These fiber-rich foods act as prebiotics, which are essentially food for the good bacteria in your gut. They help to increase the diversity and abundance of these beneficial bacteria, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Aim to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet. Experiment with different types of legumes and choose whole grains over refined grains whenever possible. These simple swaps can make a big difference in your gut health and your overall well-being. Next up, let's talk fermented foods. These tangy, flavorful delights are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your gut health. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are teeming with probiotics, which are live beneficial bacteria that can help to replenish and diversify your gut microbiome. Think of probiotics like adding beneficial insects to your garden to help control pests and improve soil health. When you consume fermented foods, you're essentially introducing these beneficial bacteria directly into your gut, where they can help to crowd out harmful bacteria and restore balance. Start by incorporating small amounts of fermented foods into your diet gradually. You can add a dollop of yogurt to your breakfast, enjoy a side of sauerkraut with your lunch, or sip on kombucha as a refreshing afternoon beverage. As your gut gets used to these probiotic powerhouses, you can gradually increase your intake. Hydration is key. Quench your gut's thirst. Just like a plant needs water to thrive, your gut needs adequate hydration to function optimally. Water helps to keep things moving along your digestive tract, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. It also helps to maintain the integrity of your gut lining, acting as a barrier against harmful substances. When you're dehydrated, your digestive system slows down, which can lead to bloating, constipation, and an imbalance in your gut bacteria. On the other hand, staying properly hydrated supports a healthy gut environment, allowing your digestive system to work efficiently. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it regularly. You can also add flavor to your water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint leaves for a refreshing twist. Stress less, digest better, managing stress for gut harmony. You know that feeling of butterflies in your stomach when you're stressed? That's your gut-brain connection at work. Stress can wreak havoc on your gut health. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria, increase inflammation, and even make you more susceptible to infections. Chronic stress can exacerbate digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, heartburn, and ulcers. It's like a vicious cycle. Stress impacts your gut, and an unhappy gut can lead to more stress. So what can you do about it? The key is to find healthy ways to manage stress. This could include practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga. Engaging in activities you enjoy, such as spending time in nature, listening to music, or pursuing hobbies, can also help to reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. Remember, a calm mind translates to a happy gut. The ripple effect, gut health's impact on overall well-being. The benefits of a healthy gut extend far beyond weight loss. When your gut is thriving, it's like a domino effect, positively influencing various aspects of your overall health and well-being. A healthy gut strengthens your immune system. Did you know that a large portion of your immune system resides in your gut? It's true. Your gut bacteria play a crucial role in training your immune cells to distinguish between harmless substances and harmful invaders. A balanced gut microbiome helps to reduce inflammation throughout your body. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health problems, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and autoimmune diseases. By reducing inflammation, a healthy gut can help to protect against these chronic conditions. A healthy gut can even boost your mood and cognitive function. Emerging research suggests that the gut microbiome communicates with the brain through the gut-brain axis, influencing neurotransmitter production and brain function. Embrace the journey, your path to a healthier gut and a happier you. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier gut and a happier you. Remember, improving your gut health is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but don't get discouraged. Every small change you make, every fiber-rich food you choose, every moment of stress reduction brings you closer to your goal. Start by incorporating one or two of the tips we've discussed today into your daily routine. As you become more comfortable, gradually add more gut-healthy habits. Listen to your body, pay attention to how you feel, and adjust your approach as needed. Remember, you are in control of your gut health. By making conscious choices that support your gut microbiome, you can unlock a world of benefits, from achieving your weight loss goals to improving your overall well-being. So embrace the journey, savor the delicious food, and celebrate the positive changes you're making for your gut and your overall health.